One.
Prime Minister Karala Shanana has officially opened the 6th IGTL International Conference held here at GMN Multifunction Hall in Babora, Dili. Hosted by the government of Timor-Leste through the Ministry of Petroleum and Mineral Resources, organized by the Instituto de Geociências de Timor-Leste, the two-day conference runs from the 5th to the 6th of February 2026 under the theme Geoscience for National Building, Data, Resources, and Resilience for Timor-Leste's Future. In their speeches, the Prime Minister Karala Shanana underscoring the need for strong international cooperation, knowledge sharing, and resilience-based development to ensure the Timor-Leste's long-term future.
Ladies and gentlemen, now that we have reached 24 years since the restoration of independence, our ancestral connection with the land must be complemented with scientific knowledge. Our nation's sovereignty is not just inherited from history, it is sustained through knowledge, judgment, and responsibility. That knowledge which will allow us to better understand our territory, our resources, and our opportunities. For too many years, decisions about our territory were made by others. Our independence has allowed us to determine our own future. But meaningful sovereignty requires knowledge and an understanding of our resources so that decisions can be made in the best interest of our nation. That is what we have done with Great Sunrise. The development of Great Sunrise will generate national benefits, including jobs, long-term revenue, and the establishment of an industrial base along our south coast. For this reason, the government's position has always been clear. The natural gas from Greater Sunrise must be processed onshore in Timor-Leste. This is essential for national development. This conference provides an important opportunity for reflection, for the exchange of knowledge, and for the building of partnerships will shape the country we become. I trust that this conference will help inform those choices and contribute to the future of our nation over the next 24 years and beyond.
The Minister of Petroleum and Mineral Resources emphasized the strategic role of geoscience in the sustainable management of mineral and energy resources, as well as its contribution to economic growth.
Our nation's history has been profoundly shaped by geology. The knowledge of rich hydrocarbon reserves has directly impacted the course of our history, from struggles to sovereignty. Today, as we look to our future, this conference is a testament to our commitment to turn the geological heritage into a foundational for sustainable development and prosperity of our people. To Timor-Leste, this gathering is not merely an academic exercise or just another conference. It's a vital forum to examine the pivotal role of geoscience in national development, to exchange knowledge on emerging trends in data acquisitions, utilization, and to discuss the best practices of resource development and management.
President of the Instituto de Geociências de Timor-Leste highlighted the importance of data-driven research and institutional strengthening to support nation building.
Over the 2 days, we will discuss key issues that are central to the challenge faced by the state and the institution today. The role of National Geological Survey in the national building and the contribution of geoscience to economic growth, mineral and energy resources governance, and energy transition, natural risk reduction, and the transformation of the scientific knowledge into public value. These discussions are particularly relevant to our country, Timor-Leste. As a young nation, we are still consolidating institutions, training technical and scientific professionals, long-term development strategies. Science and geoscience in particular play a decisive role in the process, supporting territorial planning, community protection, responsible investment, and evidence-based public policy. In the context, I would like to clearly reaffirm that Instituto de Geociencia de Timor-Leste is fully committed to continue to support the government of Timor-Leste, placing scientific knowledge at the surface of public policy, responsible natural resources governance, and country economic development.
And so the event brings together national and international researchers, academics, professionals, and policymakers to share research findings, technical insights, and innovation in the geoscience sector. Now, the discussions today will focus on the role of geoscience in sustainable development, economic growth, and strengthening national resilience, with contributions from experts across the Asia-Pacific region and the Lusophone world.